If you are struggling with holding two cables while soldering them, this print will make soldering 5 times easier for you. I was struggling to solder two cables because I couldn't hold them both steady. When I was looking to help me solder, they usually needed something extra to use, such as alligator clips, tapes, or they were only petg suitable because snapping pieces together would break PLA. Then I found this solder cable holder by Peter Landin on Printables. You can find the link to the model below. It's a compact print. I sliced it with 15% infill and printed in 15 minutes. It really helped me to solder and I didn't need any further configurations after printing.